I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to annotate. If I commented asking you for 3 annotations on your assignment from Wednesday where you had to read this article, all you have to do is take your cursor and highlight the sentence that interests you. Go to the right and click on this button that allows you to add a comment, and then write a comment responding to why you think it's interesting. Click post comment right here and it'll show up on the side and I will be able to read what you wrote. You shouldn't just highlight with a color. I need you to highlight and comment on it, because that's the actual annotation, is the comment you leave. So if I wrote on your private comments to your assignment that you need to include 3 annotations, this is how you would do it. If you have any extra questions on that, feel free to send me an email or send me a comment through Google Classroom.